Things are getting crowded up in space. The European Space Agency says they had to move one of their satellites to avoid colliding with a SpaceX satellite in the Starlink constellation. On September 2nd, ESA's Aeolus Earth observation satellite fired its thrusters to steer clear of Starlink 44. There was a 1 in 1,000 chance of collision, which is 10 times higher than the requirement to perform an avoidance maneuver. The head of ESA's Space Debris Office told Forbes that they reached out to SpaceX about the risk, but they declined to take action. So ESA decided to react. He said nobody did anything wrong, but hopes this will be a call to action to develop tech to manage space traffic that's only set to increase. According to a SpaceX statement, when the Starlink team had last communicated with ESA, the chances of collision were much lower, and both teams decided a move wasn't necessary. But when US Air Force data showed the risk increase, a bug in SpaceX's communication caused their Starlink operator to miss the correspondence. SpaceX says they're investigating the problem and will take action to correct it.